So if I factorize 18, I'm going to get, so starting with 2, because we always start with smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 nines are. Now we cannot divide by 2, then only we go to the higher prime number. 3 is higher than 2. 3 really can divide, so 3 3s are 9. Again another 3, 3 1s are 3. And same for the 6 also. 6 on the other side. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3. So now that's done. So we know what to put in place of 18 and 6. So now we know it's 18 p to the power 4 q to the power 3.
Sir, why haven't you add me? I was waiting for 5 6 minutes.
So as soon as I see you, I add you. It's not 5 6 minutes in my interface. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, right? So now I am going to expand them. So by expand, I mean I'm going to give the values that are here for 18 and 6. So 18 is, so there is minus also, so I'm going to include that minus. 2, 2, 2. It's 3. 2, 3, and 3. So double 3, I'm not going to write 1. So there are 4 p's. P to the power is 4 times p. 4 times p is multiplying itself. And then there are 3 q's. That means 3 times q is multiplying itself. So q. Now down there I have 2 and 3. So, and I have 2p multiplying itself 2 times, multiplying q only 1 time, no power, that means 1 time only. So now, so this is dot A. So now I can cut, I'm cutting this 2 with this 2, I'm cutting this 3 with this 3. And let me tell you, this is 3, eh? This may look a bit unclear, but this is 3. This is 3, everyone, 3. Because I got 2 3s and 1 2. So now that is it. I'm cutting this 2 p's with this 2, and then there is a q that will be cut with this one. Now we have 3 p. How many times p? 1 2 square. And q how many times? 1 2. 2 q's. Okay. So this is what I get. 2p square and q square, and there's a minus sign. If you remember, there's a minus sign in the beginning. So that means this is my answer. So that's my answer for 1L.
I go to toilet.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, what is this?
So I have just done the solution of L. For the correction, that's the only one left from yesterday. Okay, I'm just going to erase this and write it clearly.
Sir, जो माके थिए ना.
Yeah, but yesterday we didn't do anything new. We did the correction only. And if you were not there, videos are YouTube.
Link.
Done that. Match and B and then match.
Sir.
So this is.
Sir, मैले work गरेको त्यो पनि चेक गर्नु न.
I will check. I haven't checked. Wait. So this is of L number. Is there any problem here?
Let me see.
And otherwise, we are moving to 2 number today, and we want to finish this as quickly as possible.
Sir, कति नम्बर भन्नु भएको थियो?
L number. So have you guys, how many of you have done 2 number? Can you raise hand or do something? Can you?
I have. Yes, I have.
2 number. Section B 2 number. Okay, Kanchan
Yes.
has done it.
First,
सर तर मैले 1 नम्बर चाहिँ गरेको छैन.
Naitik has done it. Kavya hasn't done it. All right.
Elin have done है.
that Sandy.
2 number done, series. Jesus has done it. Okay. 4 people have done it.
One number done.
Those who have done, yeah.
Sir, no.
Those who have done,
Why pick up English?
huh? What did you say? Yes.
तपाईँले एक्जामको त्यो इङ्ग्लिसको टेस्ट पेपर किन चेक नगर्नु भयो?
Because I don't have time. I'm taking class back to or class लिएको छु.
सर 2 नम्बर गर्ने हो?
Yes, if you haven't done 2 number, do it. And I don't know when we'll do the correction, when we'll do the revision.
सर 2 नम्बरको करेक्सन.
So this is the reason. If I'm not being able to, let me tell you about your tokens as it is of now.
Sir, I have done this.
सर आज मेरो माइनस बाँकी हुँदैन एउटा पनि म्याथमा पनि.
Okay, good, Ellen.
कति वर्क गरेछ तपाईले चेक गर्नु भएको छैन?
All. And
So
What is this?
you were absent yesterday,
That
Sajbi?
L number.
Were you absent yesterday?
Yes, I was absent.
Why were you
Yes.
absent? So and how can you, ask that question?
Shasbi, see in YouTube.
And I've sent you the video. How can you?
Which one? I don't know. I did not know which code you had, and I doing the regular one, and it did not work, and so I was absent. And I asked others. I asked in the group chat if class was going on, and after class they responded to my question.
Yeah, that was supposed to
was
happen,
very-
but I did not have any other meeting. It was the same meeting.
Very helpful of them.
And Sasbi, we are continuing what we did in our last class, whichever class you took last time. We are doing the same division thing. I taught you division in 2 classes, then I give you questions from book. So we are still in the same thing. We are still doing the same thing, expanding and dividing. So if you ask what I did in L number, I'm doing the same thing. I'm expanding 18. I'm expanding P4 and P to the power 4 and Q to the power 3, and I'm cutting it with the denominator, whatever I can cut. And after that, whatever answer I get, I'm writing it here. Doing the same thing. And here also, I'm trying to teach you how to. There is a slight difference here. Now we are dividing binomials. Up to now, we are dividing only one terms. Now there are 2 terms, 2x square and 6x. So how to do this? We can divide them separately. So that's what I'm teaching you.
Sir,
Sasbi? Yes, Jasmine? Any problem up to here for anyone? Sasbi?
yeah, I understand.
Sir, no confusion.
Continue.
Yes?
Continue.
Huh? Please unmute yourself for a while. I didn't hear you. You just said and mute yourself again. Okay, I'm getting nothing. All right. So 2x square. Now, if you have understand up to here, now we are going to take this separately, this division and this division separately. These two are added by plus sign, right? So now I'm going to take them separately. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is 2 is prime number. So I'm not going to have to, expand it like prime factorize it like 18 and 6 here. So I just
2 कसरी आयो?
2 यहाँ
यो
पहिलेदेखि छ त
माथिको
क्वेसनमा छ त यहाँ 2 स्क्वायर So I'm writing this, looking at this question. है यो क्वेसनको फर्मै लेखेको मैले. If you're asking यो कहाँबाट आयो, this is from here. यो यहाँबाट आयो. This is from this A number. Okay, so yes, now x must be not 3x because there is no 3, only x. So there will be, I'm writing this dot in place of multiplication, okay, Sasbi? So because there is x, if I write multiply sign, you will get confused. So in case of multiplication sign, I'm writing dots.
So,
Okay, now
लेन डट लेख्ने हो र होइन है
तपाईँहरूले जे लेख्दा नि हुन्छ तर x छ भने डटै लेख्नुहोस् कन्फ्युज हुन्छ नत्र So 6, I can expand 6, right? 6 is not a prime number. So 6 is 2 multiply 3. If you want to ask from where I get 2 multiply 3, it's here. You can watch this. This is where I get 2 multiply 3 from. So in place of 6, I can write 2 multiply 3 multiply 1, but I'm choosing not to write the 1. So now this is divided by 2 dot x. Any problem here, Sasbi?
No, continue.
So this x and this x is cut. This 2 is cut with this 2. Another 2 here and here. X
Sir,
and x here. So now what I have only have x. Yes, Kavya?
2.3x 2.3 2 multiply with 3 चाहिँ कसरी आएको बुझेन
त्यो 6 थियो नि त यो 6 को ठाउँमा आएको हो कि काव्य सो यो 6 लाई त मैले 2 मल्टिप्लाई 3 गरेर यहाँ हेर्नुस् त यसमा हेर्नुस् त वाच दिस यहाँ 6 लाई मैले एक्सपान्ड गरिरहेको छु नि यता सो त्यहाँबाट आएको 2 मल्टिप्लाई 3 6 को ठाउँमा 2 मल्टिप्लाई 3 बिकज 6 इज नट अ प्राइम नम्बर मैले काट्नु पर्यो भने त 6 लाई त केहीसँग काट्न मिल्दैन तल सो 6 लाई मैले ब्रेक डाउन गरेर 2 र 3 बनायो भने 2 काट्न मिल्छ सो द्याट्स व्हाट आइ एम डुइङ बिकज माई जब हियर इज टु डिभाइड राइट and get के बाँकी हुन्छ थाहा पाउने so that's what
Sir, and 3x2 is the answer?
Yeah, x plus 3 so okay please don't write just listen for now है सजबी so मैले के गरेँ यहाँबाट x मात्र बच्यो from here I just got x only right 2 पनि काट्यो तल x पनि काट्यो माथि x मात्र बच्यो from here 2 पनि काट्यो x पनि काट्यो 3 मात्र बच्यो so I'm getting 3 from here so this is my answer any problem yes so this is how you do in all these problem you're going to divide you have to have two divisions in each of them हरेक क्वेशनमा दुईटा डिभिजन हुने भयो एकचोटी यसलाई डिवाइड गर्नु पर्यो एकचोटी यसलाई डिवाइड गर्नु पर्यो यसलाई यसमा पनि एकचोटी यसलाई अनि बिचमा माइनस साइन आउँछ प्लस साइन आउँछ सो योर आन्सर विल बी लाइक दिस सो सेम थिङ विल बी ह्यापन इन दिस अल प्रब्लम्स काव्या इज देयर एनी प्रब्लम नाउ So that's what we have to do. We have to break it down. यदि ब्रेक डाउन गरेन भने तल काट्नलाई के पनि छैन जस्तो देखिन्छ जब 6 सँग 2 काट्न मिल्थ्यो when we look 6 र 2 त काटिदैन but when you break it down we get it yeah that is it Sasbi अब now there is no division left we can do no cutting now so when you cannot cut anything that's your answer
Sir, can you say again of that तल ल्याएको
what
तल ल्याएको नम्बर
तल ल्याएको नम्बर
त्यही भएर तल ल्याएको
which के भन्नुभयो बुझेन मैले
you have said तल ल्याएको नम्बर or what
तल ल्याएको नम्बर तपाईले कहाँ बुझ्नु भएन चाहिँ भन्नु न तपाईले कतै बुझ्नु भएको छ यहाँ
what के भन्छ तपाईले कसरी होस् म भिडियोमा हेर्छु आई विल सी
तल ल्याएको मतलब यस्तो मैले अरु बेला साइडमा लेखेर जान्थे अब चाहिँ तल लेखिरहेको छु के यो यसलाई के भयो भनेर यहाँ लेखिदिरहेको छु यसलाई के भयो भनेर यहाँ लेखिरहेको छु सो द्याट्स व्हाट आई सेड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली यसलाई के भयो तल लेखेको छु के मैले सो द्याट्स व्हाट आइ एम सेइङ मैले त्यो तलबाट केही पनि
ओके
सो म अरु बेला साइडमा लेखिरा हुन्थे आज चाहिँ तल लेखिरहेको छु भने होला सो इफ यु डोन्ट अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड आर्क्स है सो आइम जस्ट मैले यो काटेको चिजहरु हटाइदिन्छु है मैले यो काटेको देखेर धेरैलाई प्रब्लम होला के गरे जस्तो सो यो काटेको चिज हटाइदिन्छु एन्ड इफ यु हेभ क्वेशन्स मलाई सोध्नु के गरेको भनेर किनभने त्यो काटेकोले के भयो नि कन्फ्युजिङ बनाइदिँदो रहेछ सो आइम जस्ट गोइङ टु रिमुभ अल दिस प्लेसेस वेयर आई हेभ कट इट So you cut it yourself and you find the answers either if you have to. I think I removed the minus here. So basically we are just trying to cut as many things as we can. But only legally है, not जे पाइ त्यही गरेर हैन, काट्न मिल्ने चिजहरु मात्र. Ellen, anything? Merisha, Niyam, any questions? Any confusions? Sneha?
Sir,
Yes?
G number यति गरिदेऊ
Which number?
1 को.
1 को कुन?
Sorry sir, mistakenly leave bus. G.
B or D? This?
E.
E.
G भने.
Can you write on the screen?
No.
D.
D.
G के
D.
G.
G.
S G.
Okay, G. All right, G. I get it. G. G. Okay, okay. No need to do that. I get it. G. I'll do G. All right. So, see, Kavya, who is this? Please don't write. Don't write in the screen. Who is this? Kanchan, stop it. So I think it's not that difficult, eh? But still I'll do it because I have no other things to do.
For you.
Because I just show you 6 like के हुन्छ अनि A B like के हुन्छ. So I'm just hoping that यहाँ पनि त्यही त हुन्छ. So now this will, what will happen to 6? 6 will be broken down, right? 6 will be broken down because that way we can easily cut. So 6 will break down into prime numbers. So prime factorizations will give you that. There are 2 A's and then there are 2 B's. And yesterday I sent you this video, Kavya. I have done it in that video, but you didn't watch it clearly. Anywho, 2A, B. So can you cut it on the screen right now, Kavya, and tell me the answer? I have just, is there any problem up to here? Yeah, key problem, sir, Kavya? Now I think you can find you can cut and find the answer yourself. Can you? Kavya is not here. Are you here, Kavya? Okay. So much for that.